Hello everyone, we're going to do our 2020 4th of July firework haul. We got this, I'm going to show y'all that last, we're going to unbox that last. First, we got bottle rockets.
Damien.
Okay, who wants to go next?
Me. We got the pit crew.
25 shots. And then we got firecrackers.
Then we got space explosion.
Which is this. Then we got 3 packs of smoke balls. Different brands.
Then we got the flashing fountain.
We got actually 2 of those.
Yeah.
Well, that's called lightning flash, same difference.
Then we got the hen-laying egg. Then we got the hen blows balloon.
Yeah, we got 2 of those.
A boy and a girl one. The dessert at night.
No, desert at
What?
desert at night.
I forgot. I was like,
you
switched
want
up.
you wanted dessert at night.
Yeah, I do. Then we got jumbo morning glory.
Which is huge sparklers.
Sorry, y'all. I just wanted dessert. We got this. What is this?
It is called Killer Bees.
My turn. Let me go.
Just do them all at the same time. Get all 3 of them sparklers.
Okay.
So 3 packs of sparklers.
These are the golden ones.
Oh, yeah, we don't got all that time. Come on, give me them.
We got the.
We got some more sparkles.
Yeah, it's out of the package.
We got the Roman candles.
And it's assortment.
Den of snakes.
And this more sparklers, which is Morning Glories. It's the small version of them.
We got new small bees.
Then we got wild geese rocket. We got crazy spades.
Yeah, which is like a big, huge Roman candle. 5 shot.
Then we got the Camellia.
Yeah, Camellia Flowers.
Then we got bonkers.
And we got this spider, which is actually a pretty cool one.
Try to gently put them in the bag as you do it.
Then we got the Shazam.
Shazam.
Then we got the Saturn missile.
Battery. Here, when y'all do it, put it in the bag gently.
Okay. Then we got single
Wait 1 minute, Tati. It's Damien's turn.
Then we got 2 packs of puppets.
Yeah. Of the TNT poppets.
The same thing.
More poppets.
And Dixie
Wait a minute.
poppets. Snappers.
More poppets.
Snappers.
Let them finish the poppets
Okay.
first.
Then we got
the large
Just
snappers.
show me them.
single day purchase.
Hold on 1 minute. It's got Mandarins, cracker snaps. We're doing all the poppets first. Come on, we only got a certain amount of time that I can do on here. I'm gonna get all these poppets. And more. And more. The torpedo ones are really loud. Alright, Linda, go ahead.
Okay, so we got this.
It's called
alarm.
Wake Up. It's a fountain.
Yep, it's a fountain. It's cool though. It's new too, so.
We got some. I don't know what to do.
Ground blooms. There's a whole package over there of them.
We got jumping jacks.
They're in the package. Yeah, blooming flowers or something like that. Ground blooms, yeah.
Alright.
Okay, Tati's turn. Darts. What is that called?
Single day purchase.
Parachute. Wait a minute.
No,
That's
I
Damien.
grabbed it first.
It don't matter. Just come on.
No, I want to do it.
She's doing it. Come
I
on.
have-
Or you won't get to do my doll. Linda, go. It's your turn.
And we got the military parachute.
Do your special one, Tati. I will. I don't care.
We got the drones.
And we got the snowflake. And we got the mullets and Christmas.
Violet crimsons.
Yeah, and we got another one.
2 of those.
Wait, this is a magic crystal?
Yeah.
That's cool though.
And these.
2 ladybugs. Well, get over here.
We got the color pearl.
48 shot.
And we got the.
That's hers. So you cannot do it.
I was just kidding.
Back up, Damien. It's Tati's turn.
You got the mango burger.
You know how to say it.
I said that.
Come on, you're wasting my video.
We got wow.
Okay, come on.
Special one.
Hand them to me and come on, keep going.
No, I don't want to. This one wants to right now. We got the guard dog too, which is actually pretty heavy and cool.
It's guard dog. It's 25 shots.
Well, you already said this.
No.
Make a bigger.
Mega banger garden in spring.
We got fly high.
Did I tell y'all about the drones yet?
Yeah, I did.
That's brand new. Oh, okay. Fly
high.
highs. And butterfly and flowers.
Celebration.
With a little cute doggy.
Yeah, it is.
And this is purple storm. Alright, come on. Keep it moving. Garden in spring.
Too good to be true.
That
Big day.
day.
And then 2 never ending fountains.
Sorry.
Neon night. It sounds like I'm broadcasting or something.
We got short stack and happy firework. 6 shots, by the way.
We got the emoji spinners, and this goes with, well, this is still the same, basically the same thing. Doesn't have it.
Them are called spaceships,
Yeah,
I think.
spaceship.
And we got them a bunch of the poppets.
Yeah, where you just pull them and they pop like confetti.
And we got
We got the monster.
They're more like them like blasting balls, called monster balls. I mean, no, monster blast.
we got
Red hot.
red hot.
we got the gray dragon.
Yeah, it's like a plane.
That's so cool though.
We got the pop. Baroonies. We got little soldier.
We got the blasts.
Yeah, they're like little balls that blast.
Twinkling star. Are these considered fireworks?
Yeah.
Golden flower fountain.
Tati, get your big one if you want to do it,
Wait, I am.
because Damien still needs to do more.
So, I got the friendship fountain. We got cool cats. And we got still small pop. We got rain decks.
We got the
So like little poppet
Poppers?
guns. Yeah, magic poppers.
Well, I think there's one more.
Yeah.
This is a different one though.
And then
No.
go ahead and do it. It's time to do it now. Yes, it is. It's a brand new fountain for 2020. Show it.
Pop candy.
Give it to me. Stop acting ridiculous.
We got the car.
Yeah.
We got the party. I said I wanted to do it last.
It's just popper. They're all poppers.
These are
Popper, poppers. Yes.
These are poppers. Those are huge.
Yes. Close up of it. It's the,
We got-
supposed to be the #1 fountain for 2020.
We got this.
Yeah, it's a tank.
We got some punks to light it.
Yep. And then we're going to do a second video with our box, our big box. So stay tuned. Say bye.
Bye.